If you're using Samsung Galaxy A03 core, or you have one which is not resetting, or the normal factory reset is not working, then you're on the right video. So firstly, you need to make sure your device is powered off. Secondly, press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Thirdly, when you see the Galaxy logo, you need to release the power button but continue pressing the volume up button, and don't release it no matter what until you see the recovery mode. If the recovery mode hasn't appeared yet, don't release it. Keep pressing and pressing, but don't break your phone. Then your phone will dive into recovery mode, and once you're on the recovery mode, navigate to wipe data factory reset and click on factory data reset. And please know, this method cannot be undone. Make sure you backed up your photos. It's important to keep your memories. So go ahead and click on reboot system now. And once you click on reboot system now, your phone will restart automatically. But once again, you see the Galaxy logo. The Galaxy logo, not Samsung. Once the Galaxy logo appears, press the volume button and the power button. The volume down button and the power button. Press them simultaneously, and your device will automatically restart. This usually takes around 5 seconds, or pressing around 4 to 5 seconds. And once again the Galaxy logo appears, you'll see the device will try to restart again and again. You can take a coffee break, but don't go too far. But this time it will try to reboot, but once again it will fail. And once it repeats this process again and again, this usually may take a long time because the device is trying to load data and at the same time it's trying to restart. So it's trying to pick two commands at the same time, restarting and resetting. And this will make your data corrupt. And once your data is corrupt, that means you'll need to reset the phone. You need to wipe everything, including your ancient photos or your new photos, your videos, your moments, everything. You'll always get this polite message saying, "Can't load Android system, your data may be corrupt." If you continue to get this message, you may need to perform a factory reset. Go ahead and perform factory data reset. And now this time, your phone will reset to factory settings. It will say wiping data, erasing. Once you see the erasing option, just know everything has been erased from the phone. Now let's count around 20 seconds. I hope you're counting with me. If you're with me, comment down below. Normally, phones usually take around 20 seconds or less depending on the Android version you're using. The higher the Android version, the faster it will load. So I'll repeat what I said earlier. Once you see the Galaxy logo, you will press the volume down button and the power button. Currently, I'm not going to press because already I have reset the phone. So I'm just showing you that you need to press the volume down button and the power button. Then you'll get a prompt saying starting Android. This will take around 3 seconds to load depending on the speed of your device. And then boom, the device is already on factory settings, back to original factory settings. So you can go ahead and set the device normally. But as for me, an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device. But for me, I don't have FRP since I have the skip option. I don't have FRP. Since I have the skip option, if you don't have the skip option, that means that your device has FRP. So on the Galaxy A03 core, *#0* doesn't work, so it's impossible to use tool that supports *#0* and you'll need to perform manually, or you need another tool which will help you bypass the FRP. But normally once I set my device to data or I connect to Wi-Fi, I will be able to set the device with no problem as long as I have the skip option. That's all for today. Please subscribe. My name is Arnold and I wish you the very best.